Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to receive the USDT on the Coinbase wallet. It is a very simple process, so let's dive right in. First of all, find the Coinbase wallet on your home screen. Now open it. After that, you will see something like this on your home page. Now, to receive the USDT, tap on to the middle option right here, which looks like the arrow, just right here. Then here you can find the option of receive. Now simply tap on it. Then here you can find the currencies on the Coinbase wallet. To receive USDT, you can simply tap on to search button and type USDT and search for it. Then here we can find the USDT on your option just like this. Now simply tap on to one that you want to receive. Then after, you can see the QR code of the USDT. Now when a person will scan this QR code and they will send it from their account, you will simply receive the USDT on the Coinbase wallet. And that's it. This is how you can receive the USDT on the Coinbase wallet. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.